here on Mildred. Kent's driven her quite a bit, but he's having a similar issue to what we've had prior, where it was flooding. So I'm going to try to fire her up right now and see if I can determine what's going on, if it's doing the same damn thing it did again. Because that's going to drive me nuts. Okay, so I've got Mildred started, but she's not very happy. Get her up to temp and see what we got going. Really gross. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, Mildred. Same problem again. These carburetors. Yep, same issue we had before. Another sticking float. Look at all this fucking fuel. That's not good. Cauldron bubble. I feel like I'm a witch making a spell. Look at that. There's trash in the needle and seat. That will do it every time. Because that can't seat. And that's why we flood. Ha! Stupid thing. Just like that. We're running good again.